So today we are going to unpack and start using our Calibray 3D scanner. After opening the box we see a special sheet that contains all the information about all the items in the box and also a safety guide. So in order to avoid any technical problems with scanner, we don't plug or unplug the scanner while it's connected to a power source. We need to tightly screw the USB cable. We don't drop the scanner, don't get it wet, don't leave it in the sun, don't touch the lenses. And also, the most important fact, that we need to use only provided cables that provided with the scanner. So, first of all we see the scanner. It has built-in touchscreen, it's very light. So the scanner has unlimited technical support, and also it has 2-week no question asked return policy. Then we have power injector that connects computer to a scanner. Then we have a pack of special magnetic markers. We will use them later. Also we have a power box. It's the only power box we can use with our scanner. And also we have all the wires to connect our scanner to our computer. So here we have power wire, the main wire that connects scanner to a power injector, and the USB cable that connects power injector to computer. So after we unpacked all the items from the box, we need to remove protective films from all the items. First of all, protective film of the touchscreen, then protective film of the lenses, and protective films from power injector. So we're ready for the first step. So in order to connect our scanner to our computer, we need to connect the main blue wire to the scanner and screw it tightly. So the wire is connected to the scanner. The next step, we need to connect the other side of the wire to USB power injector. We connect it from this side, not this. Next, we connect the black wire that goes to computer. Also, we need to screw it tightly. So we're ready to connect power injector to computer. The second box contains calibration kit. So we are opening it and see calibration board. We unpack it. Also we see special markers, which we can use on everything we want to scan. So on the inside we see calibration brackets.